In this video we're going to look at email forwarding. We're going to start by looking at what email forwarding is and how it works, and then I'm going to take you through some common questions and answers regarding email forwarding. Now, there are actually two types of email forwarding that you'll come across. There's the manual forwarding, which is what we're going to cover in this video, and that's done by a person using an email client. And there's automatic forwarding, which is normally configured by an email administrator, and it's done on the email server, or alternatively can be done on a client using message rules, but that's not very common these days because that relies on the POP3 protocol. Now, when you actually forward an email, regardless of whether it's manual or automatic, you create a copy of the email, and the original email is still stored in your inbox, so it's just a copy that you're sending on. Now, when you open up an email, you should see some icons look roughly like this, what you see in the screenshot here. And this icon here is the email forwarding icon, so you click on this to forward the email. Now, this is a screenshot showing you Yahoo. This was taken some time ago, so it might have changed in the meantime. But when you click on the forwarding, what happens is you open up an email form, and most of it's automatically filled in, the from address. Now, the to address you need to fill in yourself there because it's going to someone else. That's the forwarding address where you're forwarding. It usually has a subject starting with forward. You see it FW : and it's just a forwarding test, and then underneath of it you'll have the message body. Now, the original message is included here, so you'll see the original message down here, and above the original message you'll probably see some message headers, and part of the message header is usually the email address of the original sender. So you could leave that in, and most people do, or you could delete it if you want to protect the identity of the original sender. Now, exactly what is here, it depends on the actual email client that you're using to forward the email. Now, because this is a standard email form, you can add extra addresses on the to line, you can add extra addresses on the CC line and the BCC line. So it's just basically like creating a new message, except it's a forwarded message. It's a forwarded message. This is a screenshot from Google Gmail, and you can see this has got the complete message header here, so that's where the message came from, the date, the subject, who it was sent to, and who it was copied to, CC. You can see it all here. And that will be included in the message that you forward on to the new recipient. So, common questions and answers. Can I forward my Gmail email to Yahoo or Outlook.com? Yes, you can actually configure email forwarding on Gmail. This is server forwarding, this is not manual forwarding, this is automatic. And number two, when I forward an email, this is also sent to the original sender. No, it isn't. It's only sent to the recipients you put on the to line, CC line and the BCC line. When I forward email, does the original sender know I've done it? Does he see it? No, not unless you send it to them. When I reply to the original sender after forwarding an email message, does the original sender see what I sent in the forwarded message? Yes, this can happen, and the most likely cause is you've got conversations enabled, which is very common on most email clients. And there's actually a Gmail forum response thread that's worth having a read of, and I'll put a link at the bottom of the video. And what happens to the original email when I forward it? Nothing happens to it. It's actually stored in your inbox. You're forwarding a copy, as we said earlier. When I forward an email, are attachments also forwarded? Yes, normally that's a default behavior, but you can remove them, and here's a screenshot of Yahoo forwarding email, and you can see there's an option here to remove the email attachments. Okay, that was a very quick video. That's the end of the video. If you've got any comments, then leave them below. If you like the video, then you can use the like button below, and if you want to get notified of new videos, then you can always subscribe to the channel. And if you want to, you can always share this video on social media. Until next time, goodbye.